You able to see the screen, everyone? Hello, just one of you reply. You able to see the screen
Yes, yes.
and hear me clearly, right? Okay. See here, this is the chart in the middle of the week. I was sending it to you all. Okay, you can see that in the last 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the day chart. Monday, this was the position. Tuesday, a big green candle, which made everyone think that we will be going up. But there is a resistance zone over here. You can see that resistance is there, which is called as a SZ, which is a supply zone. Supply zone means what? The FIIs, the DIIs are selling at this level. Then we had a Wednesday, a red candle. Thursday, very similar red candle. Friday, it went down, and because of the gap down opening, it covered up little bit, and it is showing a small green candle. So you can see all these small candles are very indecisive, telling us one thing, that the market is not very strong. The bulls and the bears are having a good fight. They are trying to bring down the markets. The bears are trying to bring down the markets, and the bulls are trying to take it up. Now you can see this blue channel, this parallel lines, blue parallel lines. What are these channels telling me? These channels are telling me that the market is moving in this range. In between it went down, once again it came back in the same range. So there is a possibility that this candle, which will be formed in the next few days, will go down to the channel levels, this levels. So from here it can go down to this levels, and there is a support area. You can see that support is there, and this support is basically telling me that it can rebound from 16,760 areas, 16,760, 16,773, whatever it is. So the situation across is not so comfortable. The world situation is looking negative. The US and the Russian viewpoint on the Ukraine Russia problems is one thing which is giving the markets jittery time and again. So markets are not very positive. You can see the ADX, the blue line is going down, the red line is above. The red line tells me that the markets are negative. The green line is telling me just above the 25 mark, it is below it, little below. So the negative is much more stronger, that is the bearishness is much more stronger. The RSI is also telling me something similar. We'll be seeing this very soon, but we'll be seeing in the technical part when we learn these things. You can see this is the central line is 50. The green is above the red. The green means the positive RSI. So RSI is slightly above the red, but still it is below 50. So it is not so strong. It is weak. If the market falls, it can fall to this level. From 16,773, it can go right up to 16,410. If you see the fib levels which I have plotted here, this is my trading view chart. In this also you can see from this level over here, this is the low level and this is my high. If I plot the Fibonacci retracements, this 61.8 is over here, this line. So 61.8 is supposed to be a golden ratio, and that value is something like 17,107.
강림 tomorrow 오늘 까노.
So this level is 61.8 is 17,127. So यहाँ तक तो डेफिनेटली मार्केट रेंज बाउंड है तो आएगा. उसके बाद आप देखेंगे 78.6 इज द लेवल, 16, 17, 16789. So ये levels are the similar to what we have seen in the other chart in straight tiger. So market is not weak, it is coming down. It will come to these levels very soon, I believe, because the position across the US and all is not so good. You can see the US charts. Here is my Dow Jones 30 index, which is showing me that it is falling continuously. थोड़ा ऊपर गया, वापस अभी गिरना चालू हुआ. It is below the mean of the Bollinger Band. See the volumes also, the red candles, meaning it is falling once. S&P 500, similar market position, more of red candles. This volume के ऊपर जो blue line है, that is nothing but my 20 days moving average of the volumes. The Nasdaq extremely beaten. You will be surprised to know that in the last 14 months, that is from December 22 date, February 22, the Nasdaq has given only 10% returns. Less than 10 is 9 to 10%. So market is bad. The IT stocks which were very much bullish, very high P values, are going down severely. See this, the USD INR, the relation between the US dollar and the Indian rupee. Currently it is at 74.66. As the USD INR goes up, the market also gets into jittery kind of problems. Here is my gold. The other day I mentioned in my message that gold is a good hedge. Normally 5% to 10% of the gold should be your investment in your portfolio. But currently the situation is such that you can see the gold price is going up. It has gone to 1899, 1898 USD per ounce of gold. So the gold prices are going up. If you see the gold B's value is also going up. So this is the thing which is telling me that gold is on the upward movement. The gold is on the upward movement. And whenever gold is going to go up, the markets also start falling. So a relationship, you should remember this. And therefore, in your portfolio, the weak stocks, which is part of your swing portfolio, and they are not doing well. Some of them may be doing negative. If you are wanting to wait for converting to positive, then you'll have to wait for 3 to 6 months. Even I am waiting for some of my stocks. But if you are looking at some things which are horrible condition, those will not come up only in next 6 months also. Sell them at a loss also, even if it is at a loss. And put them into some other positive stocks like the large caps or in gold. You can see the crude oil. Okay, this is my Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is also going down. It's going down severely. थोड़ा ऊपर हुआ था, वापस नीचे जा रहा है. I have brought it this first time. I am looking at it myself because I am not so much interested, nor do I know much about it. But definitely I am going to pick up on this because आगे जाके in this blockchain and Bitcoin there will be some kind of a markets. Crude oil is going up severely. You can see it went up to 95, 96 and then it has come down. Now there is a good positive thing which is happening. The nuclear, not the nuclear deal, the Iran and US का जो deal है between oil production as well as the nuclear point of view, controlling point of view, that is going through, and very soon in weeks time or a 15 days time, that deal will happen. That deal will actually create a problem for Saudi Arabia, which is also an ally of US, but they will control that. But basic thing is, if the US or the Iran oil starts coming in, the oil prices will come down to around 65, 70, 75. So even if you say the mean is here, अगर ये Bollinger Band का lower end पे भी आता है तो थोड़ा अच्छा है. Okay? So this is the situation which we are seeing in the world. The Nifty 50, which we showed that it is going to come to this level. पहला तो ये लेवल पे आएगा 17,100 के लेवल पे. then 16,700 के level पे है. I believe it will not fall below 16,700. But when I was looking in the middle of the week, I had sent one message which was telling me based on the PE and the Buffett indicator, and it was mentioning that it will come to, it should have been around 13,000, 14,000 level. But that is Buffett indicator, and Buffett indicator is just telling me that the markets are overvalued. Earlier when it was 118%, it was significantly overvalued. Nowadays the Buffett indicator values are 102 something. So this is moderately overvalued. Still it is overvalued. Okay. You can have a look at the Google and go to write Buffett indicator for India and you will be able to see that. I don't have a time, otherwise I would have shown you. Sensex is in a similar situation. Okay. Then Nifty Junior Next 50. Energy stocks, oil, gas and energy are the ones which are moving. Let us see this particular comparison based on the relative strength. Okay. This is from Trade Tiger. I am doing a comparison for 1 week. I am doing a comparison for 1 week. Okay, and this is my situation. Okay, let us see. From Nifty has gone down by minus 1.71%. Comparatively, auto went down only 1.55, the negative. Infra negative 1.38, consumer durables negative 1.24. FMCG started moving in last 1 or 2 weeks, and I studied 7-8 stocks of FMCG, and I found only one which is little good, which was Hindustan Unilever. उसके लिए मैंने message भेजा, but it is still negative and it is not so positive. But normally in the defensive sectors will start moving up. So I believe FMCG will go up in 3 months to 6 months time. If you have the holding power of holding Hindustan Unilever, which is the market leader, you can hold this stock. और if you are wanting to buy little bit, थोड़ा बहुत small trenches में buy कीजिए. Consumption stocks are negative 0.84. Only these two went up in positive. 0.29 was energy and oil and gas by 0.41. So this was because basically we can see that oil and gas, crude oil का prices सब जगह पे increase हो रहा था. Definitely oil and gas will go up. See the worst performing sectors. PSU banks. 2 weeks back, or rather not two, about 15 days back, means previous to these 2 weeks, the PSU banks were doing excellently well, but now it is going down as the banks are going down. Metal down by -4. Nifty Bank -3. Realty -3.5. Private Bank -3.47. PSE, Financial Services, all my NBFCs are down. Media is down. Pharma, healthcare is down. Commodities is down. Here is my IT. Where it is? Here, -2%. So you can see this structure is so that practically everything is down. And in such markets, in order not to get worried all the time, if you are a portfolio based investor, forget looking at the markets for about 15 days or so. Something will fall, something will rise. If you are looking at exiting some positions whenever the rise happens, then you can have a look at those. But overall I feel that ज़्यादा tension लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And I am also not so much worried because I know that this is a passing phase. और ये तो होना ही है. See pharma going down. थोड़ा ऊपर हुआ था फिर भी वापस नीचे जा रहा है. I feel that now day by day pharma will once again come down to its regular PE levels. So इतना ज़्यादा ऊपर जाने का chances नहीं है. FMCG, in my thinking, logical thinking, I'm saying markets are sentimental basically nowadays. If in my thinking, if the crude oil prices come down which will have an effect on the commodities, which will improve the margins of the FMCG company, which will already they have increased the price by 3 to 5%. Some of them like Hindustan Unilever, Nestle. So when they have started increasing the prices, it will go definitely customer will find a pinch and the rural customer will find more pinch. But these stocks will start moving up. So they will come to the middle lines, which is already you can see the blue line, which is the middle line. उससे ऊपर 50 डेली मूविंग एवरेज पे जाएगा तो शायद ये स्टॉक्स अभी ऊपर जाने का चांसेस है. सो बट देयर इज अ स्टिफ रेजिस्टेंस एट 37686 लेवल्स which is my supply zone. Okay, let's go further. The auto industry recently, once again, last week 2-3 days it went up, but if you tell my opinion, some ancillary stocks are good. Otherwise, Tata Motors you can invest for a long term point of view. Maruti, okay, it is already too much high, so इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा और थोड़ा जाएगा लेकिन वापस वो करेक्शन होते रहेगा. Then I don't see any major companies turning around. At least 1 quarter तो आपको रुकना पड़ेगा for the auto to do little better than what they are doing now. Nifty 500 stocks continuously going down, थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है फिर वापस नीचे आता है. So Nifty 500 will consist of all my. Now in this particular, I wanted to inform you this is just a kind of a educational purpose lecture, no kind of informing you to buy this share or that share. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I want to show you some charts. See here. This is my Nifty 50. If you see 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and 1 quarter continuously negative. In last half year, the increase is only 4.27%. In last 1 year period, it is only 14.27%. So not a very good position. Sensex similar. One day, 1 week, 1 month and 1 quarter negative. Only 3%, 3.96 near about 4 and 12% improvement. In Nifty, I want to show you the PE values. Why Nifty is going down? The reason is the PE, price to earnings per share, was extremely high. It was about 28, 25. Okay, you can see this. Now it has come down to 22.2. So what is happening? Nifty is getting some kind of correction which is telling that now I am in a proper position. See, the markets ka thinking is like this. If the PE values is below 10, the markets are undervalued. Between 10 and 25, the markets are okay. Above 25, it is a condition where we should start selling our stocks. So when you were over here, the market was 25 P. When you were over here, the market was 28. So at these positions, there was a definite kind of thinking कि market गिरने वाला है, लेकिन ये जनवरी में वापस suddenly वो ऊपर गया, which people thought that ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. But I was sure, very honestly I'm saying, I was sure कि ये अपना रंग दिखाएगा, and then it has started falling. So first 2 weeks or so of January it went up and then it has now fallen. This gives me a good kind of comfort level कि 20-22 पे markets है. So my markets are telling me I have come to the lower levels. तो ज़्यादा मैं अभी गिरूंगा नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं गिरूंगा. 100, 200, 300 पॉइंट अभी गिर सकता हूँ. Earnings per share. Now see this also. It was very poor earnings in 21 April, March 21, that time April. Earnings started improving, companies have started doing. That is what I say. India Inc. Incorporation, all companies are doing well. And my EPS chart has gone above the price, means my earnings are increasing. Now if you see the PE ratio, price divided by earnings per share, if my EPS is going to increase, definitely my PE is going to reduce, and that is what I am seeing. Most of the Indian companies have given good results in this quarter also. So फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में दिया, किसी ने सेकंड क्वार्टर में दिया, किसी ने थर्ड क्वार्टर में दिया, किसी ने और तीनों में दिया. Especially ITs have done well. So now what is happening? The P's have started correcting, and that is a good indicator for us that I am coming nearer about my end. थोड़ा एक दो दिन नीचे जाके वापस वो ऊपर आ जाएगा, तो ज़्यादा फिक्र करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. You can see the PB levels, the red one. It was very much high, means it was very ज़्यादा महंगा था वो, लेकिन यहाँ से वो क्रॉस हुआ, और यहाँ से क्रॉस होने के बाद वो कंटिन्यूसली माई प्राइस इज अबाउट द PB. सो थोड़ा गैप है, बड़ा गैप है, वो थोड़ा गैप रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. सो प्राइस थोड़ा गिरेगा, इट विल कम वेरी नियर टू इट्स PB वैल्यूज़. जस्ट नाउ PB ऑफ 4.36 इज हाई, अराउंड 1, 2, 3 तक ठीक है. इससे ज़्यादा है मतलब थोड़ा प्राइस इज हायर देन द बुक वैल्यू ऑफ द. What does PB of 4.35 says? It means my book value of my company is X rupees, my PB value is 4X. So my price is 4X times the PB. 4X times the book value, sorry. The dividend is okay, 1.2, 1.3. ये ठीक है, 1.25, that's okay. Now let me come to my IT sector, the one which I am going to talk on you in little details. If you want to see the mid cap, let us see the mid cap. Nifty mid cap 100. Why I am showing you? Because you should understand the market is moving from the large, see earlier when the market was doing well, people used to start investing in mid cap and small cap. Then what has happened now? Because the markets are getting correction, the investment in large caps will start increasing, and mid caps में थोड़ा reduce होगा और small caps में थोड़ा ज़्यादा reduce होगा. So this is my mid cap. See the PE values. The price has come down. You can see the mid cap index. Okay. The PE values, here it is. Now see the difference. What is telling me? It is telling me that my price is way above the PE. So definitely mid cap में थोड़ा आपको दिखेगा corrections. See here, earnings per share is improved. So in mid cap का earnings is improving. Right from here it is improving. That's a good sign. Price to book value is very near about the same. That is also a good sign. Let us see my small caps. Let us see the small caps. Here is my small caps. The price is coming down. This is the small caps index of the 100 stocks. The PE. Okay, so what is it telling me? The price is still above the PE values, तो थोड़ा महंगा है, थोड़ा correction mid cap and small cap में होने वाला है. EPS is little about flat only यहाँ से last 3 महीने से देख रहे हैं. So November, December, Jan, Feb, earnings per share is little flat. The price is going down. PB values, price to book value, little higher. Okay, means it is costlier. Let us see the IT sector now. Here is my Nifty IT, and first let us see this and then we'll see the chart. The ITP is 33. What was the India P? Nifty around 22. The India Nifty 50 ka PB was around 4. So what do we see from here? That the price to earnings per share is high for the IT stocks. Definitely IT stocks will have a correction. The earnings are increasing. This is good. The prices started correcting. From here it has come down to here. From this level of 39,000 it has come down to 34,000. Okay, that is IT index. What is my price to equity? You can see here. The red one, 34.29, is much above the blue. But if you see last period of a year, पूरा time वो ऊपर ही है. Means expectation is there. Growth stocks, mid cap IT stocks, they are moving बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट जा रहे ऊपर. अर्निंग्स पर शेयर थोड़ा बहुत फ्लैट है, थोड़ा इंक्रीज होता है फिर फ्लैट हो जाता है. सो एवरी क्वार्टर अर्निंग्स पे थोड़ा इंक्रीज होता है. यू कैन सी दैट 1 quarter, 2 quarter. So it is increasing quarterly basis, but the price have come down. Earnings per share is good. Earnings per share is good. Price has come down because of that. Because denominator increase होगा तो PE value definitely get affected. PB, here you can see the book value of the shares के comparison में PB was very high. Now it has come down to reasonable values of 10. But as I told you, about 3 or 4 it is supposed to be high. So basically these values are still high. Now let us see the chart of the IT. Here is my IT sector. It has come down. थोड़ा ऊपर गया. बिगिनिंग ऑफ फेब, जैन वो वीक में ऊपर जा रहा था सब, फिर वापस नीचे आ गया. RSI बिलो द मिडिल लेवल 50 के नीचे है. सो डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. Let us see the stocks in IT. LTI going down, LTTS going down, Coforge going down. This is NIT Tech, which is now completely owned by Coforge, no longer NIT. Mindtree going down, TCS is stable. Emphasis going down, Infosys is relatively stable. Tech Mahindra down, HCL Technology relatively stable. Wipro going down. Now if you see the periods, these are the periods where it is going down. So इतना मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But my important points are here. Quarterly results. Okay. Here is my quarterly results of the stocks. Last year this quarter was 31.52. This year it is 41. So there is a increase of 31%. So that's a good percentage increase. Profit, this was revenue, operating revenue, this is profits. Okay, 1 year ago the profit was 518. Current quarter ka profit is 612. So once again a good profit, 17% increase. So that way if I am seeing LTI is good, LTTS is also good. The profits have increased. Here you can see that. Okay, the growth is also there. So ऐसा नहीं कि IT खराब हो रहा है. IT has got a lot of potential. And when I'm reading the articles and I'm hearing people, I am very sure that next 2 years for sure IT correction होगा, because it was very overly बहुत ज़्यादा highly priced हो गया था. But then you can always look at which stocks where it is still opportunity for me to, so we'll see that. So TCS is showing me positiveness. Infosys थोड़ा पॉजिटिव है. HCL Tech पॉजिटिव है. You can see this were the stocks which were taking a beating, but HCL में profits were negative in this quarter compared to last year. You can see that minus sign, the negative. You can see this negative HCL में ये negative है. So HCL this quarter, December quarter में profits were negative, but the growth was there 15%, but profits were negative. Let us see the other fundamental factors. The growth. So here it is. Revenue growth, that was effort year on year and quarter on quarter, and net profit. Now I am looking at some score which is called as Piotrowski score. Now Piotrowski score is the score between 1 and 9. Anything above 6. If you want to take lower value also 5 भी ले सकते हैं, लेकिन 6 और 7 से ऊपर होना चाहिए. Infosys is at 5. Means some parameters of Infosys are not so good. Now what you have to do is, along with this, you have to take a Graham number. The higher the number, the better it is. It is based on the PE score of 15. And now what you have to see is, when I am seeing this, supposing I am seeing TCS. Let us see the TCS Graham number. TCS Graham number is quite good. Relatively it is stable. The number is high. Now ये नंबर के साथ हमको क्या देखना चाहिए? हमको हमारा वैल्यूएशन देखना चाहिए. So TCS का वैल्यूएशन ज़्यादा है कि कम है, वो हम लोग आगे देखेंगे. Now when we see this number with the comparatively, you can see this was very high, 1087. So LTI का Graham number is much better than TCS. But what is my valuation of LTI? We'll have to see that, and that will tell me where I am standing. Now you can see Infosys. Once again, HCL Tech is showing negative because there was a negative earnings, okay, in the previous year, because of which HCL थोड़ा negative में है, okay. Here you can see the scores of 5. Even if I want, I will have to see कि 5 का मैं include करूँगा कि नहीं. 6, 7, 8, 9 को include करूँगा. Let's see. Valuation. Now here is my price to equity, price to earnings per share, TTM, trailing 12 months, last 12 months. Now what is my TCS value? 37. What is my LTI value? 46. So 37 से 46, nearly 9 points above है. What is my PEG? PEG is nothing but price to equity, price to earnings per share, that is the numerator, divided by the earnings growth. Now this value of PEG should be maximum 1, 1.5, 2. But I have seen people like, I have heard Mr. Ramdev Agarwal telling that even 3 is good enough. But even if you take up to 2, it is good. Now if you see here, LTI 2.18 है, काफ़ी बड़ा है. TCS कितना है? 1.82, relatively less. Mindtree 0.84, Mindtree 41.8. So I am seeing Mindtree is little valuation wise better. TCS भी है, लेकिन ये उसका value 0.84 है, whereas here उसका value 1.82. लेकिन emphasis very high, 5.1. What does it mean? It means बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा है stock. 3 के नीचे रहेगा तो मैं लूँगा, नहीं तो मैं लूँगा नहीं. Okay? Wipro is quite low, but the stock is not moving much. That is another problem with Wipro. ये level पे वो कभी से है. You can see this PB values also. Anything above 4, 5 is very high. So you can see everything is about 15, 10. So that is why we find that only Wipro is in the range of 4 and 5. Tech Mahindra is also 4. So if you want to look from valuation point of view, Tech Mahindra is relatively lowly valued. उसका प्राइस अच्छा है, ग्रोथ मिलेगा तो आपको उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं. Then Infosys is also quite low. TCS is little higher than them, but still the position in TCS is like it is the market leader and it will always keep on growing. So you can find these stocks doing well. Now I want to show you some other stocks also which is not there in Nifty IT, but in BSE IT you can see them, like Tata Elxsi. Here is Tata Elxsi, where it is. Here it is. Okay. Let us see the valuation of Tata Elxsi. Here it is. See your Tata Elxsi valuation में PE 86. You know, I was telling you all in the course of last week, not this week, कि Tata Elxsi बेच दो 7,800 पे. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ उसका PE should come around 4,000. Currently, what is the price of Tata Elxsi? Sorry, price चाहिए ना. So last traded price is 6,900. Still, I feel, and looking at my charts, 6,400, 300 पे वो definitely आएगा. उस समय आपको चाहिए तो थोड़ा एंट्री कर सकते हैं. So that is how you should start understanding that when this market is now going to look at valuation for the coming period of, let us say, another 1 year or so, minimum 1 year. Okay. सो ज़्यादा हाईली वैल्यूड स्टॉक होगा, महंगा होगा, तो उसमें करेक्शन आने का चांसेस है. लाइक व्हाट यू सी, इंडिया मार्ट इज गेटिंग करेक्टेड, LTI, LTTS has got corrected, Naukri has got corrected. Now they will get corrected because their prices are tremendously high. Now there is a trend line का overall score है. Let us see that. Let us see this valuation scores. This is my fundamentals, this is my normalized momentum, which tells me bearishness or bullishness of the market. So valuation of Tata, what is this? TCS is 16.67. Okay, is good enough. 17. Then fundamentals point of view, anything below 50 we should avoid. तो यहाँ का भी सभी लोग 55-60 के ऊपर है. Momentum relative to the others, individual momentums are here, relatively normalized momentums are here. So you can take the higher one, which is this 66.95 is TCS, which is showing good bullishness. Then I can see Infosys is also bullish. Tech Mahindra is bullish. Wipro is little bearish. So you have to see this way, and then you come to my technical charts, and then you see अभी मेरे को क्या लेना है. Just 1 minute. Hello. Okay, now let us see the charts of the various stocks. Okay, starting with TCS. TCS फ्राइडे को ग्रीन कैंडल था, वॉल्यूम अच्छा है, मोर देन 20 मूविंग एवरेज का है, के ब्लू लाइन से ऊपर है. TCS went down, it is now moving around its mean value because the buyback का न्यूज़ है. So around 45-50 shares will get into your buyback scheme. Infosys, once again it is also very near to its mean Bollinger Band, but last 3 days red candles है, and the transaction liquidity is less than the 20 days moving average. RSI is also down, you can see below 50. TCS का RSI क्या था, just on the 50 band. Okay, so TCS looks little more bullish. Infosys थोड़ा कम है. Tech Mahindra once again moving towards the mean value. RSI 50 से नीचे है, it is rather below, ये कितना है 38, it is below 40, so it is more bearish. Wipro between 40 and 50 RSI, रेड कैंडल, उसके पहले 3 दिन ग्रीन कैंडल था, मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द मीन बैंड. HCL Tech showing above the mean band, 20 moving average का बैंड से ऊपर है. RSI touching 50, this is around 48, 47.6. LXC, the stock was very high. At this point we sold something, नीचे गया और वापस वो लोअर बैंड पे है. यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो RSI का 50 लेवल के जस्ट टचिंग है, 47 है. हियर द पीपल सॉर्ट ऑफ सोल्ड एंड बाय, यहाँ देखिए, बट यहाँ से उसका वॉल्यूम्स आर स्टार्टेड रिड्यूसिंग. द स्टॉक विल कम डाउन, यू विल हैव टू बी लिटिल पेशेंट. आई वॉज हैविंग सम 25-30 नंबर्स, मैंने खाली 5-6 रखा है, बाकी सब निकाल दिया, क्योंकि थोड़ा मनी हैज़ टू मूव इनटू अदर स्टॉक्स आल्सो. Depending, LTI is going down, continuous red candles हैं, you can see that the bar volumes is also less. RSI भी 40 के नीचे, 50 के नीचे, you can see it is somewhere near 35, 37 it is. LTTS similar position, Friday को थोड़ा green candle था, बाकी more or less it is red candle coming down, it is getting corrected. Wait for some more correction to happen. Okay, Mindtree, little better place on the mean. Last day it was little down, but still on the mean. ये 200 SMA है, इससे नीचे नहीं गया. None of these stocks have gone below 200 SMA. This purple color line, it is a good indication that it is not very bad. It is bad because the correction is happening, but it is not very bad. KPI Tech, you can see here. This stock has moved from 650, 700 levels to this level of 550s now. Now I am hearing about this stock in a very positive manner about the various AI related and technology related work they are doing. So this is supposed to be one of the blue-eyed boys. Okay, so थोड़ा अभी correction में है, advantage है. अगर थोड़ा risk लेना चाहते हो तो ले सकते हो, लेकिन you have to be little careful. You have to buy at the right valuation price. What was the valuation of KPIT? Let me see. तो यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा. BSEIT में, KPIT. This is KPIT. PE ratio is very high, 62. So it should come down to 35, 40, 50 maximum. तो थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा. PB is also very high. Okay. The broker's forecast is around 645. It has already come down. Valuation is high. Red color dot. 19 is the high score. The lower the score, the higher it is. Okay. So KPIT is still highly priced. So थोड़ा और correction होगा. 500 ये कितना level है? It is around 510, 515 पे आ सकता है. First level is there. FPS Mine कंट्रीज ये कंटिन्यूसली करेक्ट होते जा रहा है. ओके, उसका भी पी वैल्यू काफी बड़ा है. Weddington, this is one of the good stocks. Okay, it is maintaining itself. You can see here, even though market has fallen down, it is maintaining between the mean band and the range, higher range, upper band. तो ये स्टॉक काफी अच्छा है. कहाँ तक वो जा सकता है, we'll have to wait and watch, but you can see here. $176, $182, $187 ये लेवल्स पे जा सकता है, लेकिन थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा. मार्केट अच्छा होगा तो उसके साथ जाएगा. बी सॉफ्ट कमिंग डाउन लाइक KPIT. CN down. FSL, this stock has gone down. It is IT services based stock. I have decided to remove the stocks. Okay, one thing you should remember now, you are having a feel of the market conditions. Some of you must have already got this kind of feelings earlier because it has corrected multiple times in last 30 years or so. But this, some of you are new into this, they must be getting first or second time maybe. Now, whenever you're having a portfolio and you're looking, some stocks are falling drastically, their fundamentals are getting shaky, you should identify those stocks, mark them, and then exit those stocks. So FSL is one of them. Tanla is moving up, थोड़ा करेक्शन मोड में है, काफ़ी ऊपर हो गया था, 1700 1800 के ऊपर गया था वो, फिर अभी 1415 के बाजू में, अराउंड 1650. Here it was around 1500, 4 days back. It touched the demand zone, here you can see, and once again started going. Subex, once upon a time last year, this time it was one of the best stocks. A lot of positive changes were happening. Now people have started withdrawing from this stock. Even the promoters have withdrawn from this stock. Unfortunately, the stock has come from a good level of 70, 80, 90 to this level. I did total exit kiya 50, 51, 52 पे. Not much of gains, but I exited because suddenly I realized uska document, if you see the fundamentals, the people have left the stock. The promoters themselves are not there. And the FIS holding भी सब reduce होते गए. So it is better to. Now you can see India mark. It is below the 200 MA. ये 200 moving average है. Pinkish color line. 50 and blue 20. So India market got about good correction has happened already. From 7,000 levels, it has come down to 4835 levels. Okay, it was once upon a time at 9,000 levels. In October 21, it was at 9,000 levels. Dixon, Amber, Voltas, CG, consumer products, all these are getting correction because the business was not so much proper. Similarly, DMart, retail, Trent, they all are good stocks, nothing to worry about, but thoda correction mode mein hai. Naukri, once again getting corrected. Like India Mart, Naukri is also getting affected. FL is doing well. FL is doing quite well. This stock, I'm expecting it to go to once again 1500 levels. तो ये स्टॉक है तो उसको निकालना मत और उसको accumulation करते रहो because the fundamentals are very good in this stock. The fundamentals are very good. CAMS, this stock has got a beating. It is coming down to its 2200 levels from where I started accumulating. So once again, it has gone down severely. CDSL and BSE both are good stock. I am holding CDSL and not BSE. I was not expecting BSE to go up so much, but it has gone up tremendously high. CDSL is doing well. It is quite up. You can see इतना नीचे effect नहीं हुआ है, वो नीचे नहीं आया है, वो ऊपर ही है. But still, if you see the 20 and the 50 SMA lines, the green is 50 and the 20 is the mean line. They are the prices below them, but it is still much above the 200 SMA. Bajaj Finance stock getting corrected. I want to add around 6,400 levels. Earlier also I waited. यहाँ से 30-40 रुपए में वो ऊपर निकल गया था. That was some 2 months back. I am waiting for this stock to come at these levels. Somewhere near 6,500 or 450 around. I will enter this stock. I am already having some 15 numbers, but I want to increase my numbers because it is a good stock to hold. Okay, now moving little fast. ACC, cement industry is going down continuously. ACC, Ultra, everyone has not done well. Business is not there. Realty is not doing well. So definitely cement will get affected. Infrastructure, you have to start moving up. TI India is a good stock. If you want, you can hold this stock. It is from automobile industry, but hold karna, abhi buy mat karna. Balkrishna Industries has come down. It will still come down. The volumes were high on this Friday because of the earnings and the dividend declaration and all expected. Now, in this chemical industry stock, yesterday I was seeing one of the webinars, and the person was from the industry and he is also having a good portfolio. He was mentioning some couple of stocks. I have not yet to verify, but some of them I know them. Therefore, I am saying these names. Deepak Nitrite is a very good stock. उसको accumulate करना better होगा, but we'll have to verify what prices and all. Just now, I am just telling you something what I heard. Deepak Nitrite is a good stock. Okay, it is at one of its lowest levels. Okay, it will improve, and this stock will be in demand because this stock is supplying their end products to so many other chemical companies for whom this is a raw material. So Deepak Nitrite is a good stock. Then SRF, good one. Okay. Eicher Motors, Escorts, Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, all these auto stocks, maybe we can see a quarter later, say around March, we'll see. Ambuja Cement, as cement industry is doing bad, this has gone down. BSE काफ़ी अच्छा मूवमेंट है, अपवर्ड मूवमेंट है. ये प्राइस पे बाई मत करना, वो करेक्शन होगा, 1800 पे आएगा करीबन, तभी हम देखेंगे. अभी ये लेवल पे बाई करना इज डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग फॉर अवर सेल्स. You can see this level is there. Even here also there is a demand candle which has been formed. So wait till this level, 1700, 1800 levels, then you go for it. Don't go now because it is very costly already. Below Motocop, not to see much. थोड़ा improvement हो रहा है. But still, if you see, there is a consolidation which is happening. Okay, 200 SMA से अभी थोड़ा ऊपर हुआ है. So that's a positive sign for Hero MotoCorp. Divis Lab, pharma stocks, I am not so much sure about it. Kobe Divis is doing much better. You can see it is on the about the 20 SMA, touching the 50 SMA. Cipla below the 200 SMA, 20 and 50 SMA. 50 SMA को touch किया है in the middle of the candle. Reliance Industries. Reliance, lot of potential, but not seeing much happening. That is the problem. People are very much committed to Reliance, even myself. But my problem is I'm not seeing any major thing happening in Reliance. 2400-500 पे जाएगा, वापस 2000 पे आ जाएगा, वापस वो ऊपर नीचे. It is continuously moving in this range. You can see this. एक यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगा ऊपर. You can see that continuously sideways movement since last 5-6 months. Safari Industries. One document somebody sent me, and it was a very good document. And that document was telling that the hotel industries, the airlines, and the industries like travel and tourism, safari industries like baggage, VIP industries, all these are the stocks which are likely to move in a positive way because of the opening up of the COVID-related problems are now reducing. Mahindra and Mahindra, relatively better than others, but still it is moving in that particular loop also. It is getting squeezed, so in a month's time or 3 weeks or 4 weeks time it will start moving up. Chemicals, not much. Next, health. The stock has taken a beating, severe beating because of some changes in the structure. इतनी बुरी तरह से बिक गया. Unfortunately, a good stock suddenly going down so badly. Godrej Consumer. I remember at very high levels, I was surprised why it is becoming so high. Okay, now it is coming to its proper levels. Asian Paints a good stock. It is relatively cheap. Okay, about the 20 SMA, below the 50 SMA, about the 200 SMA, quite a good stock. Accumulate करना, ये stock ये range में है, ये stock अच्छा value देगा आपको आगे जाके. Deepak Fertilizers, Deepak Nitrite, they both have done well. This is a good stock. Then DLF I don't talk. Tata Motors, you can see the squeeze. When this kind of Bollinger squeeze happen, it is moving only between this 468 and 530 levels. Continuously it is in this. And this is for last 5 months plus. यहाँ से ये कहाँ है अक्टूबर. सो अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर जैन फेब 5 months हो गया ये स्टॉक स्क्वीज में है. If it is able to cross this barrier of 530 or something, this stock will zoom past. अच्छा उसका 50 SMA को टचिंग है, 25 SMA के ऊपर है. So the stock is above, it is getting accumulated continuously. Once it breaks this barrier, it will move up. Okay, so it's a good potential stock. EV में it has got a good kind of a industry name by itself already. Even the number of vehicles being sold in EV, they have a good majority. Minda Industries doing relatively better now, but काफी नीचे गिर चुका है. Havells, consumer electronic stock, okay, one of its lowest levels. Vedanta metal, still it is moving up. You can see slowly ऊपर गया है. ये उसका सप्लाई जोन है, यहाँ उसको रेजिस्टेंस मिल रहा है, वापस नीचे आया है. Tata Metallics, I wish I could have sold it earlier, my mistake. But the problem is this, that we cannot anticipate what is happening. Now the story behind this is like this, that China Winter Olympics is going to get over in this week's time, around 22nd, so maybe 2-3 days time. After that, China will take a decision what to do with the curb they have put on the metals, the ferrous metal companies. Because of the pollution problems, they have put a lot of curbs, because of which the production has gone down. Now, if China starts once again producing, then all these stocks which are of ferrous metals will get affected severely. So we'll have to wait and watch. But aluminum metal stocks are getting in good demand. One of the reasons is Russia, which is one of the second largest producer of aluminum, is having a problem because of the Ukraine. Sequent Scientific, ये निकालना है, कब निकलेगा पता नहीं. It has gone down the 200 SMA. Apollo Hospitals, a good stock, but very highly priced. उसका PE value भी काफी high है. So at this price, it is very high. Where is Tata Steel? This is Tata Consumer Products. It has started moving up. As I am seeing FMCG में, the second best stock was Tata Consumer Products, and then I am seeing Dabur and Marico. ये 4 stocks काफी improvement है. ये stocks शायद move करेगा. Tata Coffee is not doing so well. It is okay. down नीचे है. ये नहीं. National Aluminium and Hindalco, these are good stocks. बीच में मैंने मैसेज भी किया था, एल्यूमिनियम को एक्यूमुलेट कीजिए, ये अच्छे लेवल्स पे है. हिंडाल्को गुड स्टॉक, 540 560 इसका एक्सपेक्टेशंस है. एंड रीडिंग एट सम ऑफ द व्यूज व्हिच अदर्स आर गिवन, it will go much higher than that. But as I am seeing, the aluminum industry is getting into some kind of a problem because of Russia not able to supply because of their problems with Ukraine. This stocks, Hindalco, Aluminium, National Aluminium, they will start going up, and they will definitely do well, and definitely उनका pricing में improvement होगा. The stocks will become costlier. Tata Power going down, accumulation levels पे आ जाएगा नीचे. There was a buy level at this point 226. It is already at that level. So अच्छी opportunity है. अगर long term XID is always the gone. Just now ICICI Bank downtrend. All the banks are in downtrend. ITC, you can see here, कभी खुशी कभी गम, या आजकल तो वो गम में ही है, कुछ देता ही नहीं है, खाली big discussions happening every time I'm hearing about. HFCL is a good stock from the telecom industry point of view. There is Hindustan Unilever. Because happen when I opened this today, all my stocks were in disarray. Upar niche ho gaya, I don't know why. And definitely here is my Hindustan Unilever. Then I arranged only the IT stocks so that I can see them in order. Hindustan Unilever, this stock is going to do well. I can see that. मैंने 2-3 दिन पहले आपको मैसेज भेजा था. If you accumulate at this levels, it is very good. 2-7 levels. Just now it has gone up with 20 SMA. It is touching the 50 SMA, and it is way above the, where is the 200 SMA? 200 SMA ऊपर है. So अभी भी वो काफी सस्ते में है. तो शायद बाय करना चाहते हो तो लेकिन you have to wait. You don't be sure कि ये स्टॉक ऊपर जाएगा ही जाएगा. You have to wait for some time till the time it actually moves up. L&T, a good stock. Infra will do well. L&T will do well. From 1700 levels, it has gone to 1800 levels now. ऊपर गया था 2000 के ऊपर, उसके बाद वो नीचे है. Again, it is below the 20 and 50 SMA, above the 200 SMA. That's a good sign. अगर स्टॉक 200 SMA से नीचे है, 200 SMA line is above and the price line is below, don't go for that stock because that is a falling knife. Maruti Suzuki, okay, above the 200 SMA, looking well built up. अगर अच्छा पोजीशन में है, 8500 9000 तक ऊपर गया था. ओके, मेरे पास 3-4 स्टॉक्स था, मैंने निकाल दिया बिकॉज आई बिलीव थोड़ा पैसा भी गैदर करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बजाज ऑटो below the 200, forget it. Dr. AD below 200 SMA. Fortis is good. Fortis is good. Now Fortis has also come to its 200 SMA line. You can see the pink line. थोड़ा डेंजर में है. IX. $20 SMA या 50 SMA से नीचे है, 200 SMA से ऊपर है. HDFC, the lowest levels. This is my 200 SMA. Here it is 200 SMA. It is way below the 200 SMA. अभी quite dangerous position में. HDFC Bank, 200 SMA. You can see just above the stock, pink line. तो काफी dangerous position में अभी भी. Okay. But luckily 25 and 50 SMA is just below the price, so the stock is improving. That is a good point. Axis is good. 20, 50 and 200, all the three are below the price, so that's a good position stock. Axis is good to buy. Once again, this is Kotak Mahindra, 200 SMA ऊपर है, price नीचे है. Punjab National Bank, 200 is above, price is below. Federal Bank, okay, this is 200 is down, 25 is here and 50 is down. So ये काफी strong है comparatively. Bank of Baroda, 25 here with the price, 50 and 200 are down. So Bank of Baroda is fundamentally and price-wise quite strong. Canara Bank, 25 is with the price, 50 नीचे है और 200 नीचे है. Here it is 200. So quite good. JM Financial, very badly beaten. Unfortunately, holding this because बहुत बड़ा loss हो रहा है. We'll have to wait. This is one of my black ships, which fell down so severely. When it was doing well, it was really doing well. And suddenly, within 15 days, उसने मार खाना चालू कर दिया. It went up to 100 plus. Then, unfortunately, यहाँ से ऊपर गया और फिर नीचे आ गया. अभी कितना नीचे आ गया कुछ आशा ही नहीं है. Okay, even the earnings which was results were declared was not so good of JM Financial. Any other stock you want me to have a look, because I want to start with my presentation. Any stock you want me to have a look? Okay.